Hello everyone, so if you want to change the password on your Motorola Razr 50, well, first of all we're to open up our settings. Now in our settings we're to scroll down to our security and privacy tab. Here it is. Choose it, and now in your security and privacy you're to find your device unlock option. Choose this option, choose your screen lock. Now you will be prompted to enter pattern, pin, or whatever you have, so enter it. And now to choose a new screen lock, yours to simply choose from one of those options. For example, let's choose a pin. Now we are to set it up, so enter everything, follow your on-screen instructions, press next. Now enter your pin or password or pattern once again, press confirm. And basically that's it. Now we've changed the lock method. Let's try it out. And if we're gonna try to unlock our phone, all right, and it's just unlocked with my face, but if I'm gonna unlock it manually, it works with the pin now. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.